Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
With Siemens Limited and GIZ India to work together to improve skill education in Goa.
Putting one example before all the other state of the state. So I will like to thank each and everybody. I will like to thank Vishwajit Rane Sarji, who is our minister. He is not only a guiding or he is not supporting. He is a main engine behind us who push everything and then we support.
Actually, I'm really very grateful and happy because as we all know that the stress that needs to be given is on a different type of education format, and I'm very happy that this Indo-German initiative of training and also this tie-up which is going to be led by Siemens, GIZ, India and our government of Goa skill development is really going to play a different kind of role which will impact not only in terms of which was shown in which Madam Lakshmi Chatterjee already mentioned, Mr. Mathur mentioned, Dr. Rodney also mentioned, is the different type of approach to education. And this type of approach, and that's why, like I always said, that the Goa government is a proactive, we are a small state, we need to make these students, employable, and also they need to get that type of exposure in the industry, and also while they're studying their curriculum and the syllabus. And also I strongly feel, on today I would like to share is that the syllabus that is also there needs to be tweaked in today's time in order to make them more employable and make them more perfect, and we need to be open to these type of ideas. I am grateful to Siemens, I am grateful to GIZ India, I am grateful to Lakshmi Chatterjee ji for having put this together for us.
My director to issue in 2 days time a new circular. आधी आम्ही इलेक्ट्रिकल मटेरियल पंचायती दिवपाक परमिशन दिताले, आता आम्ही परमिशन दिनासले, कितलीशी वर्सां जाली. But this Ganesh Chaturthi, we are going to give them permission to buy electrical material of reputed brand of up till 2 lakhs. Anything they want to spend above that, they have to come to the government. Otherwise, as a matter of right, they will be able to spend 2 lakhs, because this Ganesh Chaturthi, in all the darkness of COVID, where people are suffering, everywhere there is darkness. So at least where there is darkness in terms of no fixtures, let LED fixtures improve the brightness and therefore improve things in a brighter way. हे एक आम्ही केल्ले आसा. दुसरे झाडां बुश कटिंग जे आमी म्हणटा, ल्हान ल्हान श्रबरी जी आसता ती रस्त्यार येयल्या चड गाडयांचे एक्सिडेंट जाता, तेय आमी तांकां परवानगी दिला टू एंगेज लेबरर्स 5 to 6 laborers every day for up till before Ganesh Chaturthi for almost 10-12 days. So once they do that, entire area will be clean. स्वच्छता तुका दिश्टी पडटली. एवरी monsoon आमी झाडां वाडटा आनी झाडां रोयता, because greenery is of essence. Clean and green Goa म्हणटा तेन्ना म्हणून PWD इंजिनियरां सगळ्या एक्झिक्युटिव्ह इंजिनियर AE सगळ्या आपयन हाडले. उद्देश एकूच, हांगा सिवियर वॉटर प्रॉब्लेम जाता, वॉटर एवरीवेअर, नॉट अ ड्रॉप टू ड्रिंक, ही गोष्ट जाल्ली आसा आमच्या न्यू वाड्यान. उदोच आसना, ते कित्याक आसना तें हांवें तांकां कारण सांगलां आनी ताबडतोब जाता तितले बेगीन रेमेडियल एक्शन घेवपाक लायला.
सरकारान संबंद भारतभर केबल ओडलेले आसा आनी गोंयानूय ते केबल सुरू जाल्या. सांगपाचें विशेश म्हळ्यार अशें, जवळ जवळ 8 ते 15 दीस जाले विड्डे जो रस्तो वयता उजरेसून विड्डे उजरे, थंय एक जबरदस्ताची गोश्ट जाली रातच्या वेळार 8 ते 9च्या दरम्यान. आनी थंय म्हणटा ती केबल जे ओडलेले आसले की ना, तुजे झाडां पडोन केबल जमनीत आसा आनी तेद्या वक्तार वाहतूक बंद जाली. पूण राजेश सावंत जो कावन्सिलर आसा ताणें तातडीची मदत केली, आपल्या मॅन पावर तांच्यानी हाडलो आनी झाडां कापली आनी कुशी घोड्यान रस्तो सुरू केलो. दुर्दैव म्हणजे आमचें अशें, हो अशी मतदारसंघ माननीय आमचो जो मंत्री आसा चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत तेच्या मार्फत साखी मतदारसंघान, पूण तेणी सुद्दां धुडकून सुद्दां हांगा पयलें हें आमचें दुखणें आसा. हांव अशें म्हणटा, सरकारान मागता इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचे मुखेल काब्राल हांकां विनंती करता की ताबडतोब सांखळी वजरी ह्या ठिकाणी ताणीं येवन केबलाची पाहणी करची, आनी जो केबल हांगा ओडलेलो आसा तो केबल झाडांनी लावलेलो आसा. कायद्या प्रमाणे जितलो केबल पोल जो आसा खांबो तो भितर वचोंक ना, कॉन्क्रीट घालूंक ना नेट वाटोल ताबडतोब त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचेर कारवाय करची.